Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we will take a look at the world's second most popular React library. And you might be wondering who made this ant design. Well, it is developed by Alibaba, or if you heard of AliExpress, and the co-founder is Jack Ma. And before we getting into the tutorial, let's just take a quick look at how popular it is on GitHub. Okay, so here you can see that currently it has got 33.4 K stars on GitHub, and while this is the Material UI from Google. Currently it has got a 61.1 K. So this can tell that a lot of people are using the ant design at the moment. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first let me just quickly show you what we got on the React app. So here it's just the text saying hi guys. And right here, let me just open a few tabs. So the first one would be the ant design of React. And also let's just take a quick look at the ant design itself on the home page. Okay, so here you can see this is the home page of ant design. They got the design language and framework, the guideline components, few cards right here. Okay, so now let's just take a look at this one, the ant design of React. So here you can see that it supports different types of browsers, and this is the installation guide, how we install the ant design library, and this is the usage, and we got some others here as well. So let me just quickly show you the component. Let's see what else. Landing pages, and yep, let's just quickly look at this too. Okay, so this is the component overview. This is the page. You can see we got layout, navigation, data entry with different type of components are seen here. Data display, feedback. So this one here is the landing page, and you can see that we got different type of templates. So let me just quickly show you this one right here. When I click on this, basically this is in Chinese, and we can see that the designs looking amazing. Okay, so there's a button here as well that we can just click and edit. And right here, you can just click here to edit each of them. But I won't go in detail in this one. Okay, so now let's just quickly go back and try to install this library. So now I need to just copy this part, install it in the current directory. Once installed, start it again. Okay, so compiled successfully. Now let's just go back and then try to use the first one right here. So let me just copy this part and then import it right here. And then let's just get this part right here, the date picker. Okay, so the date picker, let's just place it right here, and let's just take a quick look. Okay, so now you can see that we got a date picker, but the thing is that the CSS seems need to be defined. Okay, so now let me just close this one and then go back, and right here we just need to import this and just import it right here, and then try to see the result again. Okay, so here it is, and looking a lot better now. We can just click on this one to select the year, or click it again to select this is in the decade. or I can just go back and then click on one of them and this is the month. So when I click on, say, today is the September 19, which is today, and here you can see that this is what it's showing, and I can also click on this to remove as well. So this is just one component. Now let me just show you what else. Probably right here, looking for the layout. Okay, so this is the layout. We got different example right here. So this is one of them. This is the other style. And let's see what else we got. So this one got a slider here as well. You can click here. And this is the other design. Okay, so now I think let's just go with the slider with this animation. So to get a code, click on this button, and what we need is copy the import right here. Probably we don't need this anymore. Okay, now let's just paste that. We might need this. Yes, we do need that. And this is the class component. And while currently we are using the functional component. So now let's just copy everything first until here. Let me probably just comment this one. Paste it here. Okay, but the class name right here, this is called slider demo. We will need to also change this down here as well. And yep, that's pretty much it. Let's just take a look. Okay, so here this is what we got, but the thing is that again it's because of the CSS, so which is why it's looking quite weird. So right here, this is the CSS part. We have need this part. Let's just copy this and then try to put it. So this is supposed to be, let me try to create a new file inside the same directory, index.css, paste everything right here, and we want to import it. CSS. Okay. Right here, and we want to also import the CSS file down here as well. Alright, so this seems to be fine now. Let's just take a quick look. And here it is. So now we have that. And what about the slider? Okay, it seems to be working fine. Now the next step would be, let me just try to quickly update the footer here. Just scroll down and then says like the channel name, Hong Lee 2020, created by Hong, just like that, or perhaps Hong Lee tag. Okay, let's just see the design. Alright, so now the text has been updated, as you can see here, and right here it does nothing. We can just expand this like theme, user, and stuff. Okay, so now we got the design up and running. So next things, let me just so because right here we are using the functional component, and right here this is the class component. Let me just also quickly show you how to convert from class component to the functional component as well. Okay, so now what I need to do, just uncomment this out, and then let me just try to copy everything again down here. Copy all of them and then probably this part first, and then in the return copy all of them and paste everything here inside the div tag. Okay, so now let's just start converting this. So right here we no longer need to use this state, we will need to use the I need to also import it up here as well, the use state, and then right here we need to define this collapse, which is const collapse set collapse equal to use state. So by default this one is set as false, so yep, let's just go with false and remove this. Okay, so now this is the first one we got, and also I just want to mention that this is React hooks. Okay, so now next one here is the const the on collapse. So right here we use the same name and also the same as this one here as well, collapse. Down here it's supposed to be, so they got the console log here, we may not need this one, so we need to use instead of set state we use the set collapse right here. Just paste that in, and so we need to press on the slider. Basically the slider, when we click on that, it open and click again, so it's will be a collapse and expand. So this would be something like this, the collapse. So this is what the syntax look like, and then yep, that's it. I think we no longer need this part. Okay, so this is the ant design. Right here we need to also change this here as well. Oh, also one thing, the collapse, we don't need the keyword this, and also the set state, no, we don't need that as well. So this is will be referring to this, and collapse will be referring to up here. Okay, so right here typo, so this will be good to go. Let's just take a look again, and here it is. So now we got the same thing, while right now we are using the functional component or React hooks. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. So we learned how to quickly install the ant design, and you can try different type of component right here. They got a lot of this, and again, this is the second most popular UI library at the moment for React. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, and if you have further questions, let me know in comment section below. Until then, see you guys in the next video.